When you want to create a new knowledge item, go to Modules and select Knowledge Management. Click on New Knowledge Item. You now fill out the title of your knowledge item. Define where you want to place it in your knowledge base hierarchy. Fill out the description. And lastly, add the content. You can also provide comments for operators only in the bottom of the knowledge item. Furthermore, you can provide keywords that your end users might search for. Save it when you are happy with your new knowledge item.